Okay, today is July 15th. It's day one of me wearing at least one thing every day for the rest of the month that I have sewed. Today is this pair of pants, which you can't see, and I need to figure out a better angle. So they're like a gauze cotton elasticated waist. I drafted this pattern from another pair of pants that fit me well. And I traced that pattern onto some poster board from the dollar store. They have pockets, and then the best detail that you can't even see because I didn't really set up this angle really well. They have bow ties down the side of each leg. And one thing I wish I would have done different is actually tacked the bows in place. So I should really do that someday. One thing I am going to do today is fix the hole in this pocket. Maybe an added bonus of doing this challenge is that I will finally mend all the clothes that have just like little issues with them, and I'll have a whole new wearable wardrobe. Okay, so that's day one. I'll be back tomorrow with day two. It's day two. I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing today, talk a little bit about my outfit, what the weather's going to be like, and what I plan to do today. So today it's going to be almost 90, and then it's going to be lots of thunderstorms. Going to be watching a friend's baby this afternoon, in addition to my two. We're going to have 3 littles in the house, but I still want to be put together. Today I'm wearing this blouse that I made with no pattern. It's literally just 4 rectangles. I found this fabric at a church rummage sale. Isn't it so pretty? It's so lightweight and perfect for a hot day. And then I added edge stitching here. Then I made these shorts back in high school, actually. I was too scared of zippers, so I had painstakingly sewed a series of hooks and eyes up the side. But last year, I upgraded to a zipper, and then I added this little flap and button. So these are my shorts. This is my outfit. I'm probably going to tuck the shirt a little bit because I love the high waist of these. That's my outfit for day 2. Stay tuned for day 3. Welcome back. It's day 3, so let's talk about what I'm wearing, what the weather's like, and what I'm doing today. So what I'm wearing is this shirt. I'm going to wear overalls with it, but I wanted to show you the cute little waist detail. I made this from a McCall's pattern out of this slubby cotton blend fabric. I love the design details. And I also think that this would be a really great dress hack. I might try and make a fall and winter dress using this pattern. The reason I'm wearing these long sleeves, it's been 90 the past few days, but now it's only 60 degrees out there. So we're dressing cozy. So today is just going to be a chill day. I'm going to catch up on some housework. We're probably also going to do something fun for the kids. And that's day 3. Stay tuned for day 4. And